Lake Wentworth Tours and more. Explore the beauty and history of Lake Wentworth and Crescent Lake with Captain Bob. The state-licensed captain has summered on Lake Wentworth since 1947. He knows many interesting facts, and he loves to share his knowledge with your family and friends. This small boat cruise is unlike any other. Tours of Crescent Lake, Smith River, and Lake Wentworth are all suited to your interests and your schedule. Captain Bob offers the Essential Standard Tour. Safely navigate through the pristine waters for a 1-hour tour around beautiful islands and learn about nature and lake history, with many scenic views for taking photos. The Navigation Tour. Learn the meaning of the red and black buoys and where the rocks and ledges are. The Nature Tour. Look for loons, eagles, and other natural inhabitants in and around the lake, and circle Stampact Island as you learn of regional conservation efforts. The History Tour. Learn about Governor John Wentworth's mansion, Stampact Island, and how the first camps on the lake were settled. The Custom Tour. Want to spend more time on the water? Sunset and foliage tours and group events are available on a limited basis. Other reasons to tour with Lake Wentworth Tours and more include viewing potential home properties and learning boating skills. The possibilities are endless. Just ask Captain Bob. Visit LakeWentworthTours.com, LakeWentworthTours.com, and like us on Facebook. Warning: be prepared for bad puns, interesting stories, and a few laughs.